Hello everyone! Today I'm going to demonstrate how to add smart lighting products with DALS Connect. First of all, you need to press on Add Device or the plus icon at the top right corner. You will now see a wide selection of products. You can now press on the smart light you want to add. For my demonstration, we'll go with the A19 bulb. After you selected your product, you will now see this instruction page. You simply need to follow the instructions, which is to turn your smart light off and on 3 times in a row. When your smart light is finally blinking rapidly, it means you're ready to move on to the next step. To do so, simply click on Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blink. You will now have to make sure you're connected on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Otherwise, you won't be able to pair your smart light. When you're positive that you have the right Wi-Fi connected on your phone, which can be verified by pressing on Change Network, you can press on Confirm. Now your smart light will try to communicate with your router signal. If the connection fails, please make sure the last steps were done correctly. If this goes as planned, you will see the following message: Device added successfully. You can now modify the name of your smart light. To confirm the name, simply click on Save. Now that this is completed, you can click on Done. You will now be able to change your product's brightness, colors, and much more. If you go back to the Home page, you'll see that your smart light is now available to be selected. You can close and open your smart light directly from there. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.